Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your period to the Google Fit application so that you will be able to keep track of your cycle on this application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on this plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should select the add period section by clicking on the first circle. Here you should add details about your period. First you need to select the date. It's set to today, but you can also set another date by clicking on this this option, and then if you have selected the current date, tap on done. And now you should also select the flow level of your period, tap on it, and then you are ready to select from 3 categories, light to heavy, but you can also leave this out by clicking on the not set icon. Then if you are done with selecting these steps, you should press the button save at the top of the screen in the right corner. Now you can keep track of your cycle by tapping on this third button down below. Tap on cycle tracking, and as you can see, your period, your day of cycle that you have just added to this cycle tracking function or page has just appeared here, so you can easily keep track of your period by using this application. And you can also add your period at this page by clicking on this plus icon at the top of the screen. So you should repeat the same steps as I have already mentioned. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.